another mission on this F-Body. Jonathan's Camaro.
Not the same mission.
We're putting in BMR suspension, new springs, and drag link. What else we got? Control arms. New springs up front. We got new shocks for the front. We're gonna get all this pressure washed and cleaned up. We got new bushings for up here. New shocks. We're gonna do some painting, get it all cleaned up, looking better. And as you seen in the last video, forgive me for the lighting. I know it's gonna suck, but let's see if we can get some light on. There we go. So we're almost done putting this bad boy back together. Still waiting on a few parts to come in. Rocker arms, OptiSpark, things of that sort. And I don't recommend trying this at home. We've got it up on jack stands and jacks, which is not really reliable, but that's just how we do. Definitely need to invest in some quick jacks. We got Kyle over here with his G8.
Do I have a long screwdriver?
Let's go ahead and get these things put in. Woohoo! Do we need to jack up on your side?
No, you can't. I mean, you can, but I don't want to have to undo the shock. If we undo the shock, it'll drop down enough to pull it out. But I ain't trying to do all that. But this is in the way. This side didn't have it.
Ah.
That's why it's not just prying out very easily. I mean, it's gonna go. It's going to go. But you see how that's...
Yeah, it's hung up right there.
I can undo it. I don't know because
So it's already this way. Now I just don't want to be in front of it whenever it decides to pop out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh.
There it is.
this jack stand's all leaning. Make full. Think?
Nah.
I have to let it down more.
What's it doing? Oh, it's rockabye, baby.
So jack yours
jack it up.
A little bit. Yeah, mine's already on the jack, so.
The heck?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Go ahead and let it all the way.
Done deal. Okay, so we got springs in. Now these bad boys here. Why have you only got 3 bolts?
Not in here. Everything was just in here. I just dumped it out.
For using these cheap ass fucking things on there. I mean, dead serious. You would probably get so much hate. Oh man, I can only imagine what people would be saying.
But maybe that'll be good. It'll bring views.
Yeah, one of the most dangerous jobs in... Things don't even line up.
Huh?
The things don't even line up.
Oh my God, Kyle.
I like the party though.
You like to party? You look like you're sweating balls. Let's get the
Vacuum clean that off.
let's get the rust release. Kyle,
What?
you're playing with fire, bruh.
Oh yes, yes.
That bolt is like doing this number.
Mm-hmm. It's because it's tight. Real tight.
Thanks.
Thanks what?
You know what? If you were to buy those new ones, we're still gonna have to do this. But
No, you won't.
why?
Because I have another one.
Because you just take it off from the bottom.
We're still gonna have to put those springs on it.
Yeah, but those brand new ones will come right off.
Maybe.
Well, it's not going to be rusted.
Anyways, if it doesn't just come right off like this, that there's a place in Fairchild, that Projects or whatever, that orange building,
In Fairchild?
Mhm.
Yeah.
and he's got an actual one that the strut goes in and you like sit on it and you do it like that. Much safer that way. Usually he's usually like really decently priced too. He replaced my carrier ring for $50.
Wait, hey, what plate were you talking about? You were talking about that one.
This top one right here, it's rusted. Where are you going? What, is he going to magically pull one out of his underwear drawer?
These?
No, those are the. I mean, that is them, but
And then we got those. You can set these on those. And just undo the bottom at the shop.
so you mean to tell me I've been over here playing with fire? You had the entire
Wow.
you had the parts to do it the entire time?
Wouldn't recommend doing this at home, children. Taking a chance with those janky ass spring compressors, and the whole time we've had a box sitting here, 2 boxes sitting here with the strut tower mount. Ay, 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 ay.
That's so scary.
These are what you needed, by the way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to throw these away.
Oh, hold on. Oh, no.
No, we got to use those. We got to use those on the new springs.
Are you serious about that?
I don't know.
No, I don't know.
I mean, we can run to Fairchild and see what he'll charge us to put those springs on.
Let me see one. So scared.
We can run to Fairchild. I'd rather do that than...
Where does it go to?
Take a chance with those janky ass. I see why you said we could have those.
It's 11:22.
So we got to leave in about an hour.
See, because these, they don't even fit.
Yeah, no. We're not doing that, bro.
Oh, that's how I was just doing it there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're not doing that again.
I'm taking a Fairchild.
We're going to get all this cleaned up, guys. Get the struts loaded into the car. And we're going to go to a shop, have them compress those springs, put them on the shocks.
We gotta go pick up
Our
somebody.
struts. And we got to go pick up what?
We gotta go pick up somebody. Let's go buy it.
Yeah, we're going to pick up Joseph today. If you guys don't remember him, he's the one that ceramic coated and paint corrected the G8. Click in the link up above right there and go check that video out. And then come back here.
Gosh.
We'll be waiting on you. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! And there we go. Mission complete. Pop trunk, Kyle. Is that what you're putting it in? Trunk? Pull this one up.
I don't have the keys.
They're in it. No. Wait, they're... Music to the ears. That's good. All right, guys, so we're gonna go get these springs put on these new shocks, and we'll see you guys at the shop.
Janky ass coil compressor thing.
Oh no, dude,
But,
they're a bitch.
but you know, it's one of them things where I know I've seen that here before.
Man, they got a new one. They got a new one, but it's so goddamn expensive. You want both? I mean, just like that, man, and it's a claw. Just zap it down, man, and took care of your business, dude, ain't none of that. You know, but that's the safest. You know?
Yeah.
A lot of shit happens behind
Hell
these
yeah.
things popping loose, man.
Hell yeah, you get
I
killed
got a
over
buddy
there.
of mine, his jaw's all fucking like sideways where one of the springs caught him on this side of his jaw and fucked him up.
Man.
But I got y'all.
All right, appreciate it.
I'm just gonna rinse that car down and then final up the ticket. And I'll have it out, man. Around 4 o'clock would be perfect. Do something.
All right, no problem.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys. So we made it to the mechanic shop. We just dropped him off. He's gonna take care of him. We're gonna head to Leak City, pick up Joseph, and check out this new truck he's getting. Or should we put that in the next video?
No.
We'll take you along for a ride. Stay tuned.